In this brief video, we'll show you how to access and join an Instructional Technologies webinar, as well as how to use the webinar's interface to participate during the presentation. In the emails from Instructional Technologies, please look for the link we are providing to the webinar. It will take you directly to the meetings page of the workshop site that we created in Sakai. If you aren't already logged into Sakai, you'll be asked to provide your Durham Tech user ID and password. Use the credentials that you usually use to sign into Sakai. The meetings page will appear. This is where you'll access the webinar meeting. When the meeting is live, a link will be available for you to click to enter the meeting room. To show you what a meeting room looks like, I'll click the link for this practice meeting. A meeting details page appears. From here, you'll click Join Meeting. My web browser then lets me know that I need to enable Adobe Flash Player in order to enter the meeting room. This screen may look a little different in your browser, but in Chrome and Firefox we can click this message to enable the Flash Player. Chrome and Firefox check to make sure that this is what we want to do. It is, so we'll click Allow. The meeting room loads, and you'll be asked to indicate how you would like to join the audio. You can select either option. However, depending on the topic and the number of participants joining the webinar, Instructional Technologies may decide to mute all participants. We'll go ahead and select Listen Only. We've successfully entered the meeting room. Let's talk about how to move around and participate in this space. During the webinar, the presenter may decide to share screens. When this happens, your center display module changes just a bit. You can control this by clicking the module's Maximize button to make it larger or smaller. To move the module, click, hold, and drag the bar at the top of the module. If you have a question or comment during the webinar, please feel free to type your thoughts in the chat window. Press Enter or click the blue arrow to send your comment. During the presentation, the presenter may ask you to raise your hand in response to a question. To raise your hand, locate the user's module and click the Update Status button. It looks like a smiley face. Click Raise Hand and a hand appears next to your name. To clear your response, click the Update Status button once again and select Clear. Finally, the presenter may ask you to participate in a whiteboard activity. This type of activity allows you to type a response directly onto the center display module. When the presenter is ready for you to respond, a tool module will appear on the right side of the center module. Locate and click the T, and then click, hold, and drag your cursor across the center module to create a text box. Type your response in the text box, and then click Away to save it. This whiteboard activity is a live, synchronous activity, so others will have the opportunity to see what you type. Okay, you're ready to participate in an Instructional Technologies webinar. When the session ends, click the Logout button here in the upper right corner of the screen, and then select Yes to leave the meeting room. We're looking forward to virtually seeing you soon in the webinar. If you have any questions, please contact Instructional Technologies at sakaihelp@durhamtech.edu.